Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kaseng Hanyo Trap Achek National Movement Southwest Khasi Hills hapo kajingalam usamla Lambok Star Marwen ubade President bat Rishan Scam Lingdo Education Secretary Ringkat Kidukhan hadien kajingyo jing ujo nekinong bala kibala keno bakim shim yo yakabai bala bapentre yo tower hakasnong Dom Sok Khai nong na Southwest Khasi Hills District menta kasing kan riu tarik unai luar arajar arpulai kilalet ban hier jurep yakate ka jaka badan uteu tower Koman syukudo uni utawa uday jong ka company Multitech bar habaya karan buway na ki head mystery uba Carmelo Marwen uba pentreyo uni utawa ulay thu banadu bala dep pentreyo te utawa kani ka company kamshim la siushu ya ka pisa bay nong tre mentala kumba khandai benai AA Hagabaya de kani ka bentana kalyang kaseng HANM Southwest Khasi Hills District kala dawa ni kinong panya jong kani ka company beki de ben siu dep no kloy ya ka pisa brangsa kaseng kala ay poru tang shitayo ya kani ka company Balada ja bakani ke company kam siu kaseng keberngam bakan salet khang talano yo te tawa.
Kalian jonga ngadai kum u head mystery jong unu tawar bla trehan ke company Multitech company. Te kat kum ko bangi la yakut bat unu kontraktor bat kinong bela ba ladakan ke jik tre ngi ladap la kalong sibnan arbnai long ka pimen un cash no brok khai. Ndrai phose haduk mata nila pendap nadu disembar te haduk unu benai ba mata benai ba pra benai ba khandai ki klam la bat su kupiman te na kata kadau nga ha ke cingkulat na mata kinong bela te ngam seban wat di kilat kilenti kumnu ban wat di kinong yara na ka mata benginyo no ya ka hok kum kinong bela te kenapa ngin kekam kan niat baik kan niat erti na banta ka ba kamiat ya ka bari ka company lane ya ki nong sok chnong hi ong kan ka jaka he brok koi te nga kerpat ya ki khamtami ki seng NGO sebala dor rekat bat ngah ne ka por pan ya raplem lane ban ai jung mut lang ban ya raplem na banta ki chinge ba nga kum u head mystery bat kinong belah ke cukup por wi semok e nang bangin yo no ya ta ka hok ke bangila tristom te nga kerpat ya pika kenhun oka seng balang SNM ba kini raplem yang kam bangi kedu cing nang bangila pandio ne hok na kabanta ka bangila tristom na kabanta kinong bala barok tang kata
Kaliang jongi ka seng HNM ngilayo ka jing ujor na iba Carmelo Marwen sepang uni u tawar bala senah ne po nong nak dong sok khai te na kaliang jongi ngi kerpat yaki pajba bakin ya syak lem bat ngi lada ja ai lani lada ka company kamla ban siu ya ka bainong singi jong iba Carmelos hapo ka kadar terik te ka kalai terik nginwan ban khang talano ya uni utawar knang ba iba Carmelos inyok biang ya ka bainong singi bat kumjuro ki pajba kinam ban singi ai yangi ladang iwan ban khang ya kani ka tawar Kenang ba iba Carmelos inyok biang ya kabainong singi. On behalf of the New Trap Achek National Movement HANM Southwest Khasi Hills District, we got a complaint from Carmelos Marwen. So on behalf of the HANM, so we came here on the spot to look for this tower construction. As the head mystery told us that the construction of this tower, the company has to pay the laborers money for the construction of this tower after the completion of this construction. So till now the company has not paid the money, so but Carmelos has request us to help him so that he will get back the money. So as the NGO here, we came to the spot that we demand the company to pay the money within 1 week. That is, now it's from 6 till 12. We give time the company to pay for the money to Carmelos Marwen. And from that, if the company fail to pay the money to him, so on 13 of this month, September 2023, we will come back here and we will ban this tower. So we request the people of this area also to be alert with us and to stay with us to help the people who are working for this construction of this tower to get back the money. So we request the community people from here to be with us, to join hands together with us, so that Pak Carmelos will get back the money until the company paid his money. So we give time, only 1 week. If the company fail for that, we will come here and we will lock this tower. So I think the company will take this responsibility to pay the money to Pak Carmelos so that he will get back the money as he has paid his own sweat to construct this tower, and also for the betterment of this society. So we request the company to pay back the money to him.